since a lot of people kind of refer to Christopher Columbus as the person who discovered America, I read that the Vikings reached North America much earlier in 1000 CE. And why do you think they didn't expand and colonize?
Because they got their ass kicked.
Okay, simple.
It's the truth.
Yeah.
It is absolutely true that the Vikings were here. There's a great site in Nova Scotia called Lanceau Meadows, which definitely has what's left of a Viking colony. It was Leif Erich and his father, Eric the Red, who they got kind of kicked out of Europe because they apparently couldn't stop murdering people. And so they went to Greenland and then kind of island hopped over to Canada. But I think the culture that was in that area was named the Dorset. But they would have nothing to do with the Vikings. They attacked the Viking settlement every day and did not give them an inch until they decided it was just worthless and they left it. The Vikings attacked Ireland and they just found a bunch of, monasteries full of gold with a bunch of guys going, "We're men of God, we don't fight." And the Vikings were like, "This is great. That's great. This will be easy then. We'll just loot all these Easter eggs." But the Native Americans in Canada were like, not having it. They kicked their ass. In fact, Leif Erikson's brother, Thor, died there. The natives killed him. He was supposed to be in charge of expanding the settlement, but they just killed him.
So a lot of the Native American cultures were also, they're sophisticated warring cultures also.
Yes, they fought, especially the Mississippians. Boy, they were tough. And so were, the Five Nations, the Mohawk, the Huron. The ones that kicked the Vikings' ass up there, they were probably Algonquin speakers. But they were connected, just above the Great Lakes. But they were all a very tough people.